Welcome to OphirPh, Food and Drinks section. Our food topic today is pork sinigang, also called sinigang na baboy, is a traditional Filipino soup dish known for its sour flavor. By tradition, the souring ingredient of this dish comes from a tamarind fruit. Through time, this souring ingredient diversed, and instead of using tamarind, guava, calamansi, bilimbi, camellias, unripe green mango, or santal can also be used. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Sinigang is an indigenous Filipino dish believed to have been influenced by Philippines' neighboring countries. In fact, sinigang resembles that of the sour soup-based cuisine of other Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia's sinigang, Indonesia's sayur asam, Thailand's tom yum, and can of Vietnam. Pork sinigang also resembles other Filipino soup sour dish called sinampalocan or sinampalocan na manok. The difference of the two dishes, aside from their ingredients, are the ways they are cooked. While sinampalocan uses the cooking method of sorting and boiling, the authentic and traditional method of cooking pork sinigang is boiling. In sinampalocan, the meat, traditionally chicken, is first sautéed in ginger before boiling, and in sinigang, the meat is simply boiled together with the souring ingredients. Sinampalocan solely uses tamarind souring-based ingredient like tamarind fruit and leaves, while sinigang has options to use various kinds of souring ingredients such as guava, santal, or mango. Here are pork sinigang ingredients. 2 pounds pork limpo, cut 2 inches chunks. 1 package tamarind sinigang soup mix. 1 tomato, quartered. 1 onion, quartered. 1 taro, quartered. 3-4 long green chili peppers, Siling Haba. 1 medium-size radish, labanos, sliced. 3 string beans, Sitor, cut in 2 inches long. 1 eggplant, sliced. 10 stems of kangkong leaves. Fish sauce to taste. Water. Cooking instructions. 1. Boil water in a pot. 2. Add the pork limpo, tomato, onion, and tamarind sinigang soup mix. 3. Cover the pot and boil until the meat is tender. 4. Add the long chili pepper, radish, taro, string beans, and eggplant. 5. Cover the pot and continue boiling until the vegetables are cooked. 6. Add the kangkong leaves and simmer until the dish is done. 7. Season with fish sauce preference to your taste. 8. Serve while hot. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh.